I have an event later today and I want to show you how I do my at-home gelx nails. It's super easy and they last literally until you take them off, like longer than acrylic. This is my favorite method. These are my two favorite brands of gel extensions. If you guys have thin nail beds, these are the best. You want to make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall, meaning none of your natural nail is going to overlap the extension, if that makes sense. And if it does, you want to pull the extension up a little bit. You guys will see right here, pull it up, and then you'll fill in that smaller gap near the cuticle with gel later on. Then we're going to go in with a little standing bit. Actually, I think this is a cuticle bit. I'm not very educated on this, girl. I'm not professional, so don't come for me. We want to etch the inside of it and prep our nails. I'm using alcohol. You can also use a dehydrator, and then my Young Nails protein bond to prime the nails. This is going to get everything set and dry so the nails actually last. I'm using the Beetles nail glue. This is the best. You want to start with a very thin layer first, thin, because if you do it thick, your nails are obviously going to be thick and that's not what we want. You're going to cure that for 30 seconds and you need a gooseneck lamp. This one is from Amazon. It's the best because it's touch. Also, when you stick your finger under there, it automatically turns on so you don't have to press anything. We're going to take some of that exact same nail glue, put it on to the inside of the extension, and where I etched it, I kind of made a guide as to where to put the gel so I don't go too far over, and we're going to stick it on that sticky layer of gel that's on our hands. You're starting at the cuticle, holding tension and pushing up. You guys will see, I'm showing you multiple times so you can understand. Hold that tension exactly right there. Put it under the gooseneck lamp to cure for 15 seconds. We're flash curing, okay? And when I say flash cure, girl, these are on. They're not coming off after 15 seconds. I was a little wary when I first started doing gelx because I'm like, girl, how can nail glue make your nails last? But it does. And then we're going to fully cure for 60 seconds after. Make sure you fully cure the extensions. It's very, very important. Then we're going to trim and shape. This is all to your liking. I use this really aggressive file. Honestly, I need to get like a softer grit because this is very aggressive. But I do like a little bit of that C curve. I'm still learning, but look at the difference in the shaping. Can you guys see that? It's so good. I love it. I think both are really pretty. And then we're going to buff off the shine so that way we can actually go in and apply a gel polish on top. We're taking 100% acetone and sealing the cuticle. That just basically means we are trying to make the extension blend in with our natural nail, and the acetone will kind of help melt that extra product down. I have a full video on the exact color of this polish because I know you guys love it. I always take off the excess on the sides of my nails so I can keep the shape nice and clean, going in with my favorite top coat, moisturizing, and now I'm going to take a breath because I was talking that whole time and I literally didn't breathe, but I hope this helps.